In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete products from your Shopify store in 2025. Managing your product catalog is a crucial part of running an online store, and sometimes cleaning up your inventory by removing outdated or discontinued products is necessary. I'm going to walk you through these steps in a straightforward manner, so you'll be able to manage your store efficiently. First, we'll start by accessing your store's dashboard. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your products. Just log into your Shopify account and on the home page of the admin console, look for the My Store section. From there, you'll see the navigation and options tailored to help you find everything related to your storefront. Familiarizing yourself with this area is essential, as it's essentially the control center for your entire Shopify experience. Once you're on the main admin page, head over to the Products section. This is where all your current listings are displayed, and it's from here that we'll begin the deletion process. In our example, we'll be working with a product named Example Shirt 2. In your case, of course, you'd search for the specific product you want to remove. Select the product from the list to access its details page. Now that you're on the product details page, observe the options available to you. Look for the More Actions button. This button contains several options that you can apply to the product, and it's centrally located for ease of use. It's good to know that Shopify organizes product actions under this button, so you can efficiently manage them as needed. After clicking More Actions, you'll see an option labeled Delete Product. Clicking this option indicates to Shopify that you're ready to remove the product from your store listings. However, do be cautious because once deleted, the product information cannot be restored automatically, so double-check before proceeding. This task is straightforward but requires a moment of consideration to ensure you're removing the correct item. Finally, to confirm your selection and complete the deletion process, click on Delete Product once again in the confirmation prompt. This final step ensures you've reviewed your choice and are sure about removing the product. Remember, maintaining a clean and accurate inventory benefits both your store operations and customer experience. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a product from your Shopify store. Managing your product listings becomes so much easier with practice, as you familiarize yourself with the Shopify dashboard. Whether you're tidying up or making room for new product lines, deleting products is a part of effective store management. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!